So I'm thinking right now that the internet might be acting like the brain of the earth. What I'm thinking is the internet is a lot of interconnected machines, massively interconnected. And I'm thinking it has a similar structure to the human brain. And so if the brain is conscious and we can think and we're intelligent and whatever, then it's possible that the structure of the internet is so similar to the structure of the brain. Maybe it has the same properties. It might have sentience, in other words. It might have the ability to think. So I'm thinking at the moment that the internet, the structure of the internet, it could be the equivalent of a brain. So it's like the Earth has its own brain in the shape of the internet. Because if you think about the brain is a bunch of interconnected neurons, very simple neurons, massively interconnected with so many other neurons. And that's what the brain is, it seems. So it seems all of human consciousness and intelligence and all of our thoughts are about lots of little cells interconnected, very highly, massively interconnected. And that structure is the brain, and the brain is conscious because of that structure. So I'm thinking the internet has a similar structure to the human brain. It has lots of simple machines, which are like the cells, and they're all interconnected with telephone cables and wireless whatever. So it seems that the internet could be seen as a brain, essentially, for the Earth. So I'm thinking that the interconnectivity of the internet and its similarity to the human brain means it might have the same properties as the human brain. In other words, it might be conscious. It might become conscious or may be conscious already. So the Earth has its own brain in the shape of the internet. And I think we need to be concerned about this and study this and try and understand if it's remotely possible for the internet to be operating like a brain for the whole Earth, and which means the internet would be conscious and would have intelligence. It would have the ability to communicate, and we could actually talk to the internet maybe. There's an interesting idea that the internet may actually essentially be alive and doing the job of a brain for the Earth. And it's amazing to wonder about this because the billions of computers out there and devices are all interconnected massively. So it certainly could be possible, and we need to be concerned about this because I think it's an amazing concept.